I may or may not be watching Lord of the Rings right now, and I might have had a bottle of wine to myself, and it's making me oh god, hiccup, hiccup horrendously. I can't. Oh god, can't stop it. It's literally every 15 minutes so. Oh god, I've tried having some peanut butter to stop it, but it's not working. Oh god. Oh, I don't know what to do. Oh god, I wish it would. Oh, I wish it would stop. Oh god. Oh god, oh my god, oh my god. Stop it! How can you stop hiccups? I've heard that, like, oh god, holding your breath. Oh. And, like, swallowing a mouthful of sugar would help, but I'm not trying either of those, because I've tried them in the past, and it doesn't, help at all. Oh, this is ridiculous. It's my own fault. I still have a little bit of wine left to drink. I still have a slice of peanut butter toast to eat. Oh god. And I'm only halfway through the Two Towers, so I've got the rest of that to watch. Oh my god. Oh, this is so stupid. I'm not showing my face. Oh god, because I'm not wearing any makeup. And everyone's trying to give me ideas as to how to stop the hiccups. And it's nearly 1 a.m. Stop it. Stop it, hiccups. Stop it.